Good evening everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. Today I'll discuss a video on the mind-brain algorithm. Suppose this is a student, so it has got two characteristics. One is the brain and another is the mind, and everything that is needed to crack any competitive exam is a combination of the brain and the mind. Now the thing is that the brain and the mind, they coordinates via brain waves, and the brain waves are alpha, beta, gamma, delta and theta, where delta corresponds to the lowest frequency and gamma corresponds to the higher frequency. Now, to perform good in any aspect of life which is beyond survival and reproduction, you need to increase your brainwave frequency, which is the only task needed to be above average. Most of the people just uses low frequencies, which means they just think for survival and reproduction. There is no fourth dimension involved in that. So if you dare to think beyond the survival and want to be above a normal person, then you need to work on your brainwave frequencies, and this is how you need to do. There is an important aspect to this, that life and death are two extremes of any organism. You are born and you will certainly die, so that's the extreme limits, or you can say the left and the right extrema of the oscillatory motion of life. Now life stands for work and death stands for sleep. You need to sleep, that is a sort of death itself. So it also involves lowering of the frequencies. The delta waves, when you are sleeping into deep sleep, it corresponds to the lowest frequency, and gamma, when you are working highly active in a highly active mode, then it corresponds to the highest frequency. So during each day in our life, there is a change of frequencies from the lowest to the highest, and what we do, what we achieve in life is how we are going to manage the frequencies. Most of the people prefer to remain in the low frequencies. They just want to do the only minimum task needed for life, which is food, water and reproduction. There is no fourth dimension involved in them. They talk big, they can do this and that, but ultimately their inner purpose is to seek food, water and to be introduced in the reproduction process, which is a must for any species. It's not just for human beings. Every species do for the same, but humans are being given with the capacity to increase the brainwave frequencies, which speaks that because of which humans can achieve something which is beyond the survival and reproduction mode, which is not possible for any other person or any other being. So this is regarding the brainwave frequencies. So if you want to get good output in life, work on your frequencies, work on the higher frequencies itself.